Good morning. Here we've got a Honda CBR500R. Just taken in. It's got extras wise the Akrapovic end card, rear hugger, seat unit, the all important Doncaster Motorcycles decal. Plenty of life left in the tyres. Got a few scratches and things. Let's see, there's a tank here where they've glued a tank pad on. Apart from little issues here and there like that, it is a very clean machine. I mean, in fact it's got an aftermarket double bubble screen on as well. $14,375 miles. All very easy. It. Another beautiful used example for sale at Doncaster Motorcycles. Before sound nice, it's not too loud, throaty enough, sound powerful, sporty little CBR 500. I think that's everything.